modern nature house design in Singapore seamlessly blends contemporary architectural elements with natural features, creating a harmonious living environment that celebrates the surrounding landscape. Situated on elevated terrain, this residence caters to a family of 5, strategically orienting its living areas and main bedrooms towards the west to maximize panoramic views while incorporating thoughtful design elements to mitigate harsh afternoon sunlight. Operable timber screens provide protection from the sun's glare, while allowing for ample natural light to permeate the living areas. This design strategy not only enhances comfort but also fosters a strong connection with the surrounding environment. Upon approach, a high forecourt adorned with a tranquil koi pond and a striking feature tree greets visitors, acting as a serene buffer between the bustling residential street and the private sanctuary within. This covered yet open space invites natural ventilation and serves as the primary circulation area for the house, blurring the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Inside, the integration of nature is evident throughout the house, emphasizing a seamless transition between interior and exterior spaces. The rear of the house features a thoughtfully curated pool deck, sheltered by a mezzanine study above, which doubles as a shield for the expansive double-volume living dining space. A unique rotating timber screen, comprised of 8 individual pieces, offers flexibility in privacy and sunlight control, adding a touch of versatility to the design. Placing the living areas and main bedrooms facing west to capture the view is a smart move, as it allows the family to enjoy the scenic landscape while also benefiting from natural light. The use of deep overhangs and operable timber screens demonstrates a thoughtful approach to managing sunlight and heat gain, ensuring comfort during the afternoon hours.